Today we are taking a look at Munbyn's newest thermal printer, the 403B. I am a small business owner and I need tools that are multi-purpose, that I can do several different functions with, and I absolutely love Munbyn thermal printers. So thank you so much to the company for sending me this newest printer. The things that I really love about Munbyn thermal printers are I can create my own custom labels for my small business. I like to change out my labels depending on the season. I like to make special labels for holidays to add to my product packaging. I also like to make stickers to include in my packaging because a lot of my items are sold for kids. So it's a cute little added bonus that I can throw in packages to delight customers. The Munbyn thermal printers make that so easy. I love that I can use this thermal printer for different types of labels, like these 4x6 labels. I can use these for printing out my shipping labels. I can also use these to make things like gift certificates. Then I can easily switch it out and make decorative labels for my packaging, like these labels here. I created these thank you stickers for my packaging so I can say thank you to my customers when I'm shipping out products. But you could also do so many different things. If you have a boutique, you could make different labels and jazz up your merchandise bags. You have so many different options. I really like the compact size because I don't use this all of the time. I can store it away and it doesn't take up much space. I also really love the Bluetooth feature on this because all I need is the app on my phone. I don't have to have extra cords attached to my printer. I can design everything in the app and then I can print all the labels without much effort. The app is super great because they give you so many different types of templates. One of the features that I love the most about this newest thermal printer is the self-sensing labels. So you don't have to spend time worrying about adjusting the label to fit. This thermal printer is going to sense the labels for you. You don't have to do any adjusting, so it makes it seamless to print labels in all different shapes and styles. Let's print out some labels and I'm going to show you how it works. If you are looking for a new thermal printer, I would highly recommend Munbyn's latest printer, the 403B.